Something woke her, powerful, subvocal, a call, a command. Now. Across the dimly lit room she saw his head drooped awkwardly against the pebbled plastic rail, and she rose and, gently, for movement meant pain, lifted him and laid him softly back. She stood beside him, silent, waiting. Be present. Bear witness. His eyes, bottomless black pools, veiled that long night by sleep, veiled too long by pain, opened. He sat up, and his hand rose, outstretched, reaching. Instinctively she grasped his hand and held it wordlessly. Slowly he laid back down, black pools open and alert, a look on his face almost of elation, of bliss. Breath now drawn in, deep filling his chest, and out. His hand loosed, his body eased, his face relaxed. Breath, softer now, in just a memory, a reflex, and out. A last leave-taking to a well-loved, well-used, and familiar friend, my old home. Still then, soft-breathed in, so soft, almost silent, almost sacred. It is finished. Soft out, free, free released, free. His mother waited, watching it end. Outstretched, his hand fell finally to rest. She bore unflinching witness.